Market might be testing again this 70 level.
If you have another.
Comes 80.
Yeah,
Order filled. Order filled. Who knows the next resistance, guys? Or the next target, if you will. We posted it, right? I just hit it. Do you know which it is, guys? No. Try again. I just got filled on it, so I know it. 90. Very good, Denise. Thank you. Thank you. She's listening. Yeah, you can make 411 if that's your target. Great. Keep riding. As coach says, right? He says, pull your stops, trail your stops.
Trail your stops. Stops up, worries out. Get a no-lose situation. That's all you got to do.
Mm-hmm.
Pivot down. Here we come.
Thank you, let's see. Okay. I just changed something.
You have 3 coaches and a trading cat in the same room. This is unprecedented. Good job, Bill. Bill got back in on a W. That's managing your trades, Bill. Who else is managing their trade? That's all we want to hear. And if it's not in your plan, right? What did we say earlier this morning? What's the magic? Thank you. What's the magic words, guys, or abbreviation? Yeah, I love it. Sakasa. I didn't see that. That was very nice. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, I need one of those. I need a tank top.
Sakasa, yeah.
I need a tank top.
Wow.
Can you send me the image and we have some shit with?
Cool beans.
Yeah, if he wants to make one and ship it to the US cheap, we could do that too.
Okay.
NIMP. Yeah, not in my plan. And like I said before, if you're done for the day, I will. You hear me all the time. Hey, who's in the trade? Or coach will say, I'm in the trade. I called it. Who's in it? If you're not in it because of your plan or whatever reason, tell us. He's not going to get mad at you if it's in your plan. If you go, oh, I didn't hear it, I wasn't paying attention, or I don't use stops or whatever, then we'll get a little upset. But if you have a plan, how many of you have had a private session with a coach and have your plan? You tell the coach, hey, remember my plan. This is my plan. Thank you very much. We're talking to a group of people. Remember what I think it was Ken asked, where did I get in? And I said, what's the most important price? Your entry. Nice. Great job. Great job.
That's fantastic.
Good job. Man, thank you.
Fantastic.
Good
As
job.
always.
Hmm.
This is cooler than cryotherapy.
Very good.
A couple things. I think it's letters are kind of like that I can. It's from the old website template or something. If you enter as a free trial, it looks good. Okay, that's
Okay, guys, the only reason the first touch rule is not called on the official record, because we're already long. I said trail your stops. So if you want to call, I mean, I don't want to have 4 different trades. We don't want to show trade at the same time. If you want to, we could, but yes, that was a first touch rule, but we were already long and trailing, right? We went long down here. Original entry is 12. I think Profitable Chad got 9, or somebody got 9, beat me by 3 ticks. So this one is still long. I didn't add, I just stayed long with my trailing stop. That's all I did. So if you want to call that a first touch rule, great. Yeah, Profitable Chad got 9. That's excellent. Excellent hookup. Double bottom. Now, Bill caught the W. Do you understand what we're trying to get at? We have 5 different traders with 5 different reasons why they went long. Which is the better one? The one that works for you, right? If you don't like W's, don't follow how Bill entered. Say, I rather the first touch rule. How about, remember yesterday, we were big on what yesterday? Flags. Today we're big on Zakasa, right?
or 16 tick rule.
16 tick rule.
Same thing.
That's been working every day. I think you did, didn't you do orientation on that Friday or yesterday?
It was this past Thursday.
Yeah. Yeah. It was Thursday.
It's past Thursday. And you can go straight down to basic training and you have.
And I hope you guys got a better understanding of it, how Coach explained it. You know, it's not 142 different trades. You know, every time the 15 range clicks up and down, it's a new trade. It's a great way of reinforcing another methodology. If you're looking for a pullback, there's nothing better than to wait for 15 range long. So please,
Yeah, you have one that is in 2 parts. And this is missing, and the one from this. Okay. So it's like 3 videos.
yeah, we're keeping 2 links, guys. Yes, 2 links.
You see the homepage? I sent it. No, I sent you the email. No, in the chat. The desk. Oh, it's coach, right? I've been working on this video. So now we have it here, around, and we go down. It's almost finished. You see the apples there.
Come on, Chrissy. Oh.
Pictures. Probably in a picture. Yeah, she said that, so
That's good. Yeah.
for the I just need to put the ninja thing here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and that,
I thought there was something up here with the, okay.
oh, yeah. But the like the ninja disclaimer,
Oh,
I go there to the bottom. To the logo there. We have the pages of the price.
okay. Oh, good.
Just quickly, and then I give you this now.
Oh, yeah.
Disclaimer.
There's a little M here, counter trend, but you have to have permission to do it. You got a counter trend short
And the login. Press the login.
right there at 67.
Oh, yeah. Just press it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, 8 minutes before the open. Newer traders, no trading in the first 6 minutes. That is from 9:30 Eastern to 9:36 Eastern. Newer traders, no trading for the first 6 minutes. Only people with explicit permission are allowed to trade in first 6 minutes. And to speak further to that, we are going to make trade calls. And you guys will see if you scroll up, you see the letters NIMP. That means not in my plan. That means we're calling trades for hundreds of people here, hundreds of people. You are not to take every single that we call. You are to take trades that only fit the plan that you have. Meaning, if you're a scalper, you take our scalp trades. If you're a position trader, you take our position trades, so forth and so on. You like M's and W's, you take M's and W trades. If you like 16 tick rule, you take those trades. Point being is everybody is going to have a different trading plan and a way of managing their trades. So don't just think that you're going to be a successful trader if I call a Coach Brian or Coach Alex at trade calls. You will not. If you don't know the methodology, the reason why, or have a large enough account size, you're undercapitalized, and you're trading minis, and you should be trading micros. There's a lot that can go wrong, ladies and gentlemen. Please, if you have a question and you don't understand why we made the call, you probably shouldn't take the call first and foremost. And secondly, ask us. We will answer the question. And those who are on trial, hang tight, sit here for 3 days, enjoy what we're doing, ask questions, private chat with us. One of our coaches will reach out to you if you haven't already spoken with them. And we will help guide you through the best experience you could possibly have during your trial experience. Guys, let's get ready for the open. I think some of us most of us are flat, right, Coach?
Yeah, we're going flat.
Most of us are flat. Again, those of you newer to us, we are patient traders. We're not going to make a trade call every 5 minutes, every 2 minutes, every 3 minutes. We average probably 15, maybe 20 trades a day called. So do the math on that. Not a ton of trade calls. We look for high probability trades. And those on trial, look back through our previous day's trades. You can scroll down on the main website and look at the trade calls we actually made from the previous day. It'll give you an idea of kind of calls we make and how often we make trade calls. Get ready for the open, guys. I'm not sure we'll see a lot of action before that. We only have about 5 minutes left, so probably most of us will be sitting on the sidelines through the open. See? Sound like I should be on radio, right?
And we will be.
Oh,
We may
we
be
have
even
an
doing a
exciting
podcast.
we do have an exciting new announcement, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
We got most everybody here. Guess
Yeah.
what? On Friday afternoons,
Yeah.
Paul's met me. He knows how to face for radio.
Face for radio.
But we're going to be doing a podcast every Friday starting at 12:30 Eastern. You guys will be able to join in on it. It'll be me and head coach just BSing about the markets, about the craziness we have. Look, Dietrich's like, yes. And we are going to ask for the very first podcast, we're going to ask if there's any volunteers from our member base that would like to be guests on the podcast. So we may or may not show charts. We don't know. You will see our faces in the podcast. We will be mostly just jerking around about what happened in the market that week. So a lot of fun. We're super excited about the podcast, and we think it'll be a good time. So if you guys, any of you here that can hear my voice, any of you here that can hear my voice want to be in the podcast on Friday and be the guest person to participate in the podcast, say aye.
Let us know.
You will get to be in. How and where will you catch it? The cool thing is we're going to stream it the way we do, so you can catch it live on YouTube. You can catch it live on your Facebook page if you're friends with me on Facebook, or the Day Trading Tour website, or the Liberty Trading Club website. You'll be able to catch it on Liberty Trading Club Facebook page, Instagram, and there is a certain podcast place that you can catch it as well. So, Sabri wants to be a guest star. Profitable Chad says aye. All right, guys.
2.5 minutes left to go. Remember, what's the trend, guys? Trend is
Can it be
60 up, 15 up, still below that pivot, but 2 out of 3 are up.
Those hat in a ring. Long.
So-
Some people are long now,
Yeah,
Coach.
nice. Mhm. Thank you. Mhm. Have a great one.
Have a great day, B.
Thank you. You too. The best. Always.
I don't know why she put this.
Hmm.
Do you want a different one? Oh, it twists.
It just doesn't have holes with the air.
Beautiful, profitable Chad. That's what we want to see. Trade. You knew the reports were coming out. You didn't want to get either way. It's nice when you get it, but it's not nice when you lose 80 points. And very easily could have gotten blasted with that report. It's still on the chart here. Look at that 15-minute. Do you want to be? Yeah, if you guess right, you made great money. If you guess wrong, you lost. What was I doing right before the report? I told you, flat. But right after that, we were long. Because we saw the market spurted up, so when it pulled back, we went long. That's what we've done, and I'm sticking by it.
Guess what I was doing before the report? Brushing my teeth.
Yeah, I mean, guys, do something. Write an email or something. Last trade we took was that long off there on the long side, and then the other one was a short on that sell stop at 34.070. Right here.
45 seconds till the open.
Yeah, we're flat right now, waiting for the open.
45 seconds for the open.
They were disciplined before. When we called the first trade, I had 4 people say, "Nice."
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we gave him credit for.
Four
too.
simple letters, guys. If we seem like we're trying to get people into trades every day, but we're trying to get certain people into trades every day.
Yep.
That doesn't mean it's you if we're yelling out there. Got a little echo. Coach is loud. Do you still have the echo now? Keep yours on. Keep yours on. Keep yours on.
On?
Yeah.
It's on.
No echo. You guys got an echo now? You do have an echo now?
Maybe his. Yep, ticks are up, so we can look to buy a pullback. That's what we want to do. Look to buy a pullback. See the hooks go in. Those who are on the 6-minute administrative hold, wait for the 6 minutes. You'll be amazed at how you find great entries, great support, great resistance. There's your hook already. For those who know, take it. Next target will be around 90. There it is. $40-point scalp. Not too bad. I'm flat.
40-point scalp.
Yeah, right over that 50.
That was perfect.
Hook back up. It's not an official trade, guys. Why? Because I told you not to trade. Those who understood the hook took it. Anyone who had permission took that hook up stochastically. Diedrich, good job. And Tex, I don't have to tell you how to trade stochastic. Very good. The rest of you, just watch. Wait, look at support, look at resistance.
Good job, Sloan.
Yeah, Sloan got it. Because you guys were prepared.
Sloan has enough badges next to his name.
Yeah, it's like one of
To do
those
it.
hero generals, you know, that they.
Diedrich, I've seen him trade. I know he can do it. Wide reach. We've had that conversation. I know you can take it. You've done this.
Coach Hugo's right behind us.
Yeah,
He's looking for a
first
good
touch
trade here.
Yeah. I'm here.
No, he's not.
No, he's taking the cats and dogs. off.
He's vicious. He's vigorously trying to make sure that the new
Yeah.
area works perfect for you guys, which we do appreciate very much. Are we echoing now?
I don't
This is
think.
nothing changed from yesterday.
Yeah. It's weird.
Are you sure we're echoing right now? No.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm echoing, huh?
No. So some people have no echo,
Weird.
and then you have an echo.
Echo.
All right, we'll just use one of our mics. I'll sound like I'm in distance.
I'll shut
Coach
mine
will-
off.
Coach will yell at his.
Oh, you can. Well, since I yelled, then you use yours. Let's do that way. All right, I'm off.
No echoes anymore.
Can you hear me, guys?
Coach Larry's on. Got the Sakasa shirt. I love it. Who wants one of those? Let's
All
take
right,
that
good
last
echo.
hook.
Good. All right, why not? He's here.
Perfect.
Might as well use it, yeah.
Yeah. All
Hey,
right.
3 minutes have gone by, guys, and that's good. Now we're talking about echoes and stuff, and plenty of relaxing time to watch this market. There will be amazing trades, guarantee you.
You're not missing out on anything, guys.
And please, if you're in a good runner, try to keep it. We'll help you stay in. We're not trying to push you to trade, but when you get a good one, don't just jump out because you're nervous. Right now it's sideways, right? You guys can see that from about 9:20 till now. It's been sideways.
Almost from like 3 a.m. until
Yeah, if you
now.
really go back, right? If you take that big hook
That
by
one move.
8:30, it still stayed in the middle. We're in the middle of that up and down range.
Very large dragon snout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
Got
Get
the
out.
snout is out. You got a range, guys. What happens? What happens after we get a range, ladies and gentlemen?
Mm.
What are you gonna make? What are you looking for? Let's plan ahead. How about that?
yeah, I'm not going to
Instead
say
of-
anything. I know
Instead of
somebody else. No. Ah.
hey, all right. So there's other things you can do as well. What are the other two things you can do? Hey, you could do that. There you go, Pope. There you go, Viv. So now you guys know you don't need us. You know how to play this now. You guys have it. You know exactly how to play it. You know what to do.
Don't worry, you newer traders are just logging on. We'll help you. We're not abandoning you.
You guys know how to play it. So either you got to buy stop above, sell stop below, or you're playing both sides of the swing.
Yeah, but coach, what if it doesn't work?
Then you have a stop loss that is predetermined. And you say, you know what, I'm willing to risk X number of ticks to see if this works.
Yeah.
Like this. You could take this long signal right now.
Yeah.
Is it going to work? I don't know. We are in an uptrend. It is a W. It has all the signs with the hook and stochastics that it could work.
You already got a profit.
It
Yeah.
could not
Just
work.
pull the stop up, guys.
There we go. Now we have a problem.
Nice. Here's your original stop right here.
You're the ones that called this. You guys literally just called
Yeah,
this.
they said I'll go long.
Pope
Yeah.
called the trade almost a whole minute before the trade happened. How about that?
Because I took half off. I'm following coach's call. There's my stop. If I get stopped out, I still make money at 40.
Nice trade call, Pope.
Before
That is-
stop. What's the
There you
most
go.
important part? Your stop, right, guys? Get your first target, and now it's free ride.
Free ride.
Beautiful.
Take it easy.
If I don't get stopped out here, if it breaks 67, move the stop up. Some of you are position traders, you'll have a bigger leeway, but I'm flat. Great call. You see
That's
where
all
we
right,
went
bud.
long right there,
Let's go.
guys? 35. So the last one, I got 5 points on my final contract.
So what do you guys look for now? Still in this range from like 3 a.m. through the news, everything still in the range. I personally, in my plan, if it breaks below this range, we're also going to be looking at the 60 minutes starting to turn down a little bit. Still maybe not negative. 15 minutes not far away. So me personally, I'll probably do a sell stop below this range. I don't,
Now
does that make sense, guys?
and everybody's trading now who has a 6-minute parameter. You can start trading.
You can trade. And there's a double bottom, another little tiny W here. So you guys think through these ahead of time. Which one do I want to play? Do I want to play the long side off the bottom of the range? Do I want to play breakout above the range? Do I want to play the sell stop below? Which is it that you want to do?
I don't want to see too many. I want to do a counter trend trade, coach. I'd rather take good long signals.
Bingo. And speaking of good long signals, what better signal than one that bounces off support with a W? Near-term support. It's all right. Don't take a lot of risk on stuff like this, VA. So that's the other thing, guys. Predetermine that risk. Predetermine the risk that makes sense to you. You guys have been in my basic training. You guys have done this. We think about 3 different types of markets. This is working. This long trade is working, guys. Move your stops up.
I did a buy stop on this one. You see that, guys, right there? Right there.
The long trade is working. We just said W, confluence, off near-term support. How many of you guys got that? if this is in your plan and you know how to trade a range bound market, who got into it? I know I've got 3 people right now already in the trade.
5 people.
5.
6.
Pewitt. Good.
This is like isn't this like a podcast? It's a profitable podcast.
Guys, take a look at your 2-minute chart and squeeze it in a little bit. Those of you not in the trade, look at this. This is great.
Well, I did right here, guys. You see that where we put
Easy
it up when
trade.
Coach said it was bottoming. So put the buy stop at 32
See that, guys?
and my trailing stop right below it. You see that last swing point right
Stop
there?
now at 0.45, guys.
Yeah, just raise it up.
45 is your stop. 45 is your stop.
Here it is. 46 is mine.
There we go.
I'm gonna raise it up a little more. 51.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
51.
If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I
51 is a
don't
good
care.
stop. If you look back to the left, you can see why Coach is using 51. We got a little resistance on that little M.
And we know it's been sideways. If it breaks out above 85, wonderful. We'll have what? A home run, a 100-point runner. I'd love a 100-point runner. Be very nice.
So I'm getting some private messages here. Where is the range? Well, take your 2-minute chart, squeeze it in, and look from 8 a.m., 7:56 a.m. to right now. Put lines above the bodies and below it, and you see a very clear range. You do have a couple wicks that pop out of there, but for the most part, the range is settled in between 92
There.
and 34,000. Or yeah, you can do a smaller range too. Yeah,
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
20. Yeah,
Yeah.
so either
And
one.
it
I
was
mean,
at 8:32 exactly.
there we
The
go.
high, right?
Yep.
Take some off, guys.
Stops at 61 for me now, guys.
Yes, raise this.
61 good. 61 is
Yeah.
good. 61's a stop, guys.
Paint by numbers. It's like
Only a 40 tick trade so far. Just 40 ticks. Stop is locks in 40 ticks. Sorry. Stop locks in 40 ticks. You take profits on a contract now, guys. You are in good hands.
cool. This is our 5th good trade today.
This is, yeah, easy
mean,
stuff.
Some of you can't be done for the morning.
Oh.
You need a miracle then.
Can you guys hear Coach okay?
Here's a trading cat.
Yeah. You guys hear Coach good? All right. As long as you guys hear Coach okay, we're good to go.
And no echo, right, guys?
No,
All right, cool.
we're gonna try to turn it now that Larry's gone. We can try your mic again
Yeah.
later.
All right. 71 is my stop right now. You can see it, guys. I'm posting it. Our targets can be great. 128 is nice, but what if it goes down? We want to get out.
Coach, I got
job.
76.
Anybody who's waiting after 9:36 should have been able to take this trade.
We screamed to get in this trade.
Yeah.
We were
Yeah.
screaming, get in this trade.
Yeah.
Bottom of the near-term resistance. This is it, guys. This is our runner in the morning. We got a runner. If we get to 21, where's the entry? 20,
I got mine in a buy stop. I did
27 is mine.
I got in at 42, 34. 42.
All right. I got 27 is what I called it and pressed
Where'd
the
you
button.
guys get in at? The 40s.
Coach, I like 82 as a stop now. Oh, it's going to get me.
Paul got in at 26.
Good. Paul, press a
Bill,
button. As soon as we can.
35. They all beat me.
Nice. Yeah, we did. They took it. These guys know. Flat. Oh, no. I'm sorry. I have one left. Keeping that one back there just for like safekeeping.
Yeah, I got out at the trailing stop right here, guys. 71. Good job, Bill.
Another good hook on Stochastic, guys.
He hears both of us fine. He's got a hearing aid, so you should be.
So
You should be okay. Everybody else should be okay. Back to where we went long. Or wherever. Come on, Cat, please. You got it. Hi.
did you guys get this? This is another one. Take profits, guys. This is too easy. Too easy. Just said it again. Yeah. We just called the trade at 0.56 was the next long. Was a long, guys. Hook on Stochastics. Easy trade. You've locked in ticks. Anybody else get back in? Or are you guys counting your money? It was an easy long there, guys. Volume would be. Huh? All way? I don't know what you mean there, Paul. DFM. Done for morning. All right.
Favorite words.
Looks like a little W forming, guys. Again, you don't have to play this. We just had a great trade. But if you want to play the W, that's you could possibly be in it now if you wanted to. But again, we're playing this range. So if you notice, it just barely peeked out of the range and came right back in. So we're not we're nowhere clear of this range. We do not have a breakout yet. So what's your plan, guys? Remember, stick with it until we break out of the range. Stick with your plan. Are you planning on doing personally? You guys know what my plan is. I have a sell stop where. I shouldn't even told you that. What is my plan? I will trade both long and short in this range until it does one of two things.
So it becomes an on snout.
Right. And until we start. You guys, okay, so I want you to guys tell me, are you playing both sides of the range? Are you waiting for the breakout? Or are you only playing one side of the range? So what you want to type in chat right now is B for both, 1 for 1, or BB for or BO for breakout. Tell me right now which one you're doing. One side of range. Okay, tell me everybody. All right, breakout. Gene's waiting to breakout. Perfect. That's fine. Sabri's playing both sides of the range. Randy's waiting for the breakout. That's perfectly fine. Paul's playing one side and a breakout. Perfect. Both sides for Tex Bob. Bill's one side. Breakout for Cheryl. That's fine. Both sides for Kamisha. Good job, Kamisha. Sloan's playing both sides. T's waiting for a breakout. See, guys, this is what I want you to start doing.
And it only took 2 letters for a whole plan, basically.
Yeah, you got 2 letters. That's your plan.
Mental, get yourself psyched up.
Denise is looking for a breakout on the high side. That's perfectly fine.
Mm-hmm.
Perfectly fine. I mean, think about it, guys. You can use a tick chart now to play both sides of the range or one side, or you can also use the tick chart for your breakout. With Momo. And there is no Momo right now, Chad. See? So neither one of these 3 are in Chad's plan, right? Neither of the 3 options we give you. Well, there's always a 4th option. Sit on your hands. So neither of the 3 options are in Chad's plan.
It's too choppy right now. And if it's too choppy for you, don't trade.
That's
you
it.
Can wait till later on. They'll do me trade by 10:30.
Yeah. I guarantee. I'm going to make a guarantee. Can I make a guarantee?
Yeah.
I guarantee there is going to be a trade before 10:30.
Yeah.
By 10:10, we will have a great trade.
Mm-hmm. To add to the other great ones.
Right. And I missed that one. I got to put that one in that I called.
I got them.
You got the
W.
The long? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Do you want to put both of them?
I mean, technically, I called both of
I
them.
mean, it's really.
Technically, I did call both
Yeah.
of them.
You can call both of them. One was at 9:38, and
Yeah, the other one was off the bottom.
Where? Right there.
It's back here.
Yeah.
Right, that one.
That was the
and that
9:38
one.
one. This one right
Yeah,
here.
that one.
And then you got the pullback in here.
Oh yeah, that one. Yep.
right here on the 15 range.
Yep.
Breakdown. It's 34,046.
Yeah.
4 points above what the other one was called. Yep. And you don't have to take every one of them, guys. All you had to do is pick 2 of them. 2 of the trades so far this morning. Not the short. There were 2 shorts called. 4 longs, 2 shorts. All you had to do is pick 2 of the longs. We're talking about the relative beginner traders. And you should be green. Now, if you traded a little bit before that report and got chopped a little bit, yeah, you could have lost. But even if you had one losing trade, should have been able to recover and get green, right?
Guys, listen to Chad.
Mm.
Chad speak of the wisdom. Chad, speak of the wisdom. I think me and Coach should figure out a way that we'll just get a plane and fly back and forth and work together and then fly back.
I know
each day.
Slobodnik wanted to do that. We'll actually come in on a Monday and leave on Thursday. 4 days a week.
I think we do a lot better next to each other, don't we, guys?
Yeah, well, like the boot camp, because there's you can see what somebody's doing too. It's a little more difficult when they're there and you're here, and we understand that. That's why, for some of you, you take the option of personal coaching because they really learn better that way.
Yeah, most
I mean,
people do. Most
yeah.
people learn better in person.
Yeah.
Take
I mean,
that
there's a
personalized
big
coaching.
difference if somebody's sitting right next to you and say, "Nope, don't. Why are you doing that trade?" And they go, "I don't know." Say, "Nope, you can't do that." And then you see your coach making a trade because we do trade, and you follow what the coach is doing. And within a week, you start picking up that habit of do it yourself.
Well, Chad also knows that I'm going to pick on him soon and see if we can get that profitable off his name and put coach in front of it.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to do it, but I'm going to try
Mhm.
to push him to it. I know. I'm slowly getting you there, Chad. Slowly getting you there. You know you can do it now. You know you can. You're a fantastic trader at this point. I just need like 5 little mini me's running around. Let's talk. Let's talk this next week, Chad. Let's talk. If you feel like you're ready, I wanted to get there. There's another bounce off the top of the range. Those of you that are playing both sides and can trade counter trend. So get on my calendar for next week, Chad. Let's chat about it. Is Hunter Woodsnells? Woodsnells, you in today? Woodsnells, are you in yet? Woodsnells. I knew you were already short text, Bob.
Yeah, it's a Sakasa short.
Hey, Woodsnells. You mind having a quick chat with me today or tomorrow, sir?
Sakasa short.
Yeah, let's just chat if you don't mind. Guys, also, if you want to be on the podcast Friday, if you want to be a guest appearance, go to the main webpage and click on that little green chat button in the bottom right-hand corner and say, I would like to be a guest on the podcast Friday, our new Liberty Trading Club podcast, which will be titled Tomorrow Nightly Daily at 12:30 Eastern on Friday.
Next little support here is at 54.
Hunter Woodsnells, I think Paulina's going to give you a call and schedule that, okay? 10-minute conversation, 10-15-minute chat with you. Thank you, sir. Keep up your great trading ways, please. Mm-hmm. Denise, did you manage your 87 or are you adding here? Or did you take it off? You got out? Okay, you took a little profit, a little tiny profit, got out. Break even at least. Tiny. Yeah, that's what I figured. You really want it to be back at the test area. Denise, you really look back at right at the open 931. Look at that high. The high right at the open should be really what your breakout area should be. Guys, and the other thing you got to look at is we've tested the pivot twice already this morning. So if it tries to test and fail again, I'm going to be more and more happy about the sell stop. I know we're an uptrend. That would be counter trend, but it would not take a very big push down to take either the 15-minute or 60-minute to the downside. As a matter of fact, we could probably do math on that, right, Coach?
Yeah, I took the Sakasa short and it started at 54.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Right. Yeah, you guys
Text box
followed
is
that,
short.
right? We said Sakasa short. Ding.
Nice job, VA. Nice job. Don't get flat. Save a contract.
Order filled.
Save a contract, VA. Tuesday, guys. I know we didn't get to it yesterday, but we had a fantastic session on what's today's date?
Today is Wednesday. Yeah.
Wednesday. Jeez. Tomorrow.
What day is it?
Hump day. Hump day. All right. You made money. Hey, you had a plan on the trade. Yeah, we're trading a range, guys. That's all we're doing. I mean, this if you know how to trade a range, this is easy. This is easy peasy if you know how to trade a range. If you don't trade. Yesterday was recorded, yes, in the new members area. If you guys see the new members area, that looks something like, if I can find it, it looks something like this. Let me take a little screenshot. Looks like this. Are you guys seeing the new members area? You guys know how to trade again. So there's a small support area, guys, right around the 40 to 38 level. And the bigger support in this range is right around the 34,000 to 05 area. And obviously the resistance area is somewhere between 100 and the pivot. So if you know how to play that range, then this should be easy trading for you guys. Okay. If you haven't gotten into the new members area yet, there's still some bugs being worked out, guys. That's okay. If you did get, how many of you guys got in and saw something that looks like this morning in the new members area? All right. So on the right-hand side where you see all the training sessions, you can scroll down to basic training, and there are the recordings. The one from Tuesday and last Thursday will be in. Remember, guys, last Thursday we did using the 16 tick rule with Sakasa entries. And yesterday we did support and resistance. And tomorrow we will be doing managing trades. Managing trades. Stop management, assuming you're already in a trade. Yeah, if you see the old site, guys, log out of the main trade room, log out of everything, and log back in. Everything. You got to log out of everything. No, yesterday's class will be in there this afternoon. I hear. Usually give us a day to get those classes uploaded. It's been a little bit longer than a day since we've been doing news. This is news now. It's been longer than a day lately, guys, because we've been making a bunch of updates for everyone, for you guys, for us, for everyone. So
Business inventories and housing market, 10 a.m.
So tomorrow, all previous recordings will be on the site. Take another short text, Bob? I'm guessing you did.
Yeah.
Nope. Good morning, all. Day one is off me.
The
And
next target is 42. We drew it right on here for you guys.
am I in the right place? If you're looking to become a great trader, Dave, yeah, you're in the right place. Have you traded before, Dave? Send me a private message. You're definitely in the right place. We're talking about trading. Have you traded before? You've traded before, right, Dave? A little bit. Have you traded futures before? A little bit. Yes. Well, you're definitely in the right place then. You're definitely what's trading. I shouldn't. Dave, we are patient traders. We do look for setups. We had a little flurry there of trades just because they were too easy to take. It does take a little bit of time to, kind of understand what we do. We joke around a lot, but we also take, our trade serious. Some of us are taking longs off the bottom of the range that you see here. Coach, can you point the range out for Dave? And some of us are taking shorts off the top of the range, Dave.
Yeah, just shorts are counter trend.
Yes.
Longs are with the trend. In the beginning, we want you to be trend traders.
Okay. Tom G, if you get that issue, send a message on the chat bubble. Anybody get any issues logging into the new members area and you see the old one, just send a chat on the chat bubble on the bottom right of the page. Send a chat, please, guys. Ticks have been, and for a while, staying above zero, Pope. That's actually fantastic to note. But we have narrowed the range pretty dramatically here, guys. This is something else, right? Yeah.
This is your next target. We got it.
And
order filled. 42.
An hour and a half, it's been in the same range.
Yeah, just about. Yeah.
That's crazy.
I know. Got one more target here, 25. Just hit it, and I'm flat. Anyone take this short besides text Bob? Okay. To belong? Okay. Good
That's
job.
okay. There you go.
All right.
The range is going to break soon, guys. I'm telling you, it's 10:04 by 10:15. What did I say was going to happen, guys?
It was a 60-point winner, man.
Manage it. So we're starting to look a little weaker, guys. Just a little weaker. Starting to look a little weaker, VA. Manage it. Manage it into some profits. VA, get one off. Get one off. Hold one. Trail it loosely. And a no lose spot, VA. Got it? Get one off. Trail the last one loosely, but so you can't lose. So maybe something like you take 10 ticks profit on your first contract, your second contract's still at like -4, right? Something like that.
There's been a ton of setups.
Starting to look a little weak.
And they're happening rapidly. You don't have to trade every single one of them to make money as long as you have a plan. If you want to do low stochastics, it's there for you. You want to do high stochastics, M's, W's, because why? The trend is sideways, really. I mean, for our purposes, from 8:30 till now, the market hasn't gone too far up and too far down. Now, could you lose money? Yeah, if you went short at the exact low and it started rallying, yeah, you're going to lose. If you waited too long to go long, you're getting hit on the opposite of the channel. So just trade a channel, draw lines, and when it comes near the bottom of the channel, stochastics are low, hook it up. Is there anybody red right now who's been messing up all of these trades? And it's possible without a little bit of experience or help. Yeah, you guys are going to wait too long, go long at the top, go short at the bottom. Anyone red? Oh, no, they can hear me, right?
Yeah. You guys hear Coach fine, right?
Marginally chartreuse. That's all right. It's been a marginal. Yeah.
Dave B, I sent you a private message. Dave B on trial, I sent you a private message. Schedule time for a chat with us. Make sure to take notes. Those of you on trial, your biggest thing that you should do is download the mobile app so you can listen to us on go, take notes. Ken's getting beat up.
All right. So in other words, you're going long at high stochastics and short at the low stochastics. Obviously, it's the only way you could possibly be getting beat up, right? So you're going short when it's down here.
33 is now to stop, VA. I'm doing it with you, VA. 33 is now to stop. Got it? VA, 33 is now to stop.
If you're going, look at your trades. If you're going short down there and long up here, you're going to get beat up. You're going to get beat up. I mean, you've got to first look at, that's all we've been trading. These stochastic hooks into the 15 range trades.
That's it.
I mean, I'm sitting here with the coach. He takes a couple. I'm taking a couple. Now we've traded a few more than we've called even. And
because they're too easy.
It's like very easy. So if you guys are not doing this, please start looking at the market. It's in a range.
It has been since 8 a.m.
And it's like Texas weather. You give it 2 minutes and it'll change. So use the stochastics. They're your friend right now. The trend isn't really, because there is real, yeah, technically there's what kind of
It
trend.
is.
Now, what you could do,
Yep, good
Ken,
job.
is just take the long trades. If you're getting beat up, that means you are trying to trade like we are, shorting the highs, buying the lows, and you're getting, okay, they're long now. Here's what's happening. If anyone, well, the one or two of you losing money, right? How many are losing? Just 2 people, right? It's not too bad out of 175. I mean, I know you don't care about the other 173 people, but we want everybody to be profitable. So 2 out of 173 is unacceptable for me. I know we go for perfection. We want 100% success. So how do you get to be successful? Trade with the trend, number one. Wait for a setup that's consistent with the trend. In this case, very simple. Low stochastics.
Take a class. There you go, Ken.
Yeah, take a class.
Get in the pro class. Get in the pro program for a month. See if it doesn't help you.
Yeah. It will help you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Paulina here. Hopefully, you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your trial with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls as well as participation in chat to have your questions answered by a coach. After the first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.